Do you want to know how you can change your primary phone number on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your primary phone number on Wise. So, what you need to do is open your browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you do have your account. Log into your account and you will see this type of interface. What you need to do next is click on your profile and go to your details. Click on edit details, which you see over here, and in order for you to change your phone number, you should click on change primary phone. So you can see this link. Go ahead and click on open Gmail. Open your Google account with which you have registered to Wise with, and you can see that this mail has appeared. Click on this mail which says change the number on your phone. Click on yes, let's change it, and it will lead you to a new page. So what you need to do is click on continue. Before you can register your new phone number, a few things are needed. Take a selfie of you holding your passport or ID, have access to your new phone number, and then Wise will verify your details and update your phone number. This usually takes about 10 minutes but can take up to 1 day. If you are sure to change your number, just go ahead and click continue. Now what you need to do is click a selfie, so you can see the example of good selfie and a bad selfie over here. Your selfie with your password must be very clear. So this is the example. So go ahead and click go to submit your selfie. Now you can click on this option, or you can drag or drop the file with your passport and ID. After that, click on submit and this page will load up. What you need to do is write down the new phone number and an OTP code will be sent to your phone number. Go ahead and verify it, and then you can easily change your primary phone number. So guys, this is how easy to change your phone number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.